Well, they're still splashing on yourself. I picked it up by the tail with my hand and just gradually dipped it in there.
Oh, yeah.
You cutting my fish?
I did! So let me know so I can put my natural pose. You know?
While you're burning the fish, you're trying to look cute.
Oh, yummy, yummy.
She only models fish. She doesn't cook them.
Yeah, she's a fish model.
Okay.
It's like they take the picture of her, and right whenever they freeze everybody, they switch people to actually cook the fish. Then they move her back, so she can be on the food channel and act like she cooked it.
Oh my God, Jamie, stop doing my
If you throw it in the oven and then the shot cuts off, and then someone really cooks it, and then she comes back.
Okay, pick that up now. It's off now?
No.
Damn.
Sonia, you don't know how to act in front of a camera.
Pick your nose. Supposed to pick your nose.
There?